What's up guys, it's Anna and today we are going to be talking about whitelisting trusted networks and keep solid VPN Unlimited on iPhone. What is the Trusted Networks feature? Why do you need it? If you're interested in this topic, continue watching my video. So, the Trusted Networks feature allows you to whitelist the Wi-Fi networks you consider completely secure. As a result, your VPN connection will be automatically disabled while on the trusted internet connections. Why do you need this feature? Firstly, to preserve access to LAN device. Losing access to such devices is caused by VPN software changing your real IP address to a virtual one. As a result, your devices won't be recognized as a part of and allowed in your local network. Secondly, to avoid speed loss. Let's be honest, using a VPN does affect connection speed. The very fact that the data is encrypted by the VPN service inevitably reduces the speed to some extent. Of course, the speed loss is generally compensated by such undeniable benefits as data privacy and enhanced security. However, if your network is already secure and private, why damage the speed? An important note one more time. You should whitelist only the networks you consider completely secure. So, how to whitelist secure networks on iPhone? For this, you should open the Apps menu. Now go to Settings, tap Trusted Networks. To use this feature, you need to enable location access in your iOS. For this, tap Go to Settings. Turn on Location Services. Go back to the app. Tap Allow to access location services. Allow while using app or allow once. And choose the network you want to whitelist and tap plus next to its name. You can easily remove it just tapping X. So, one more important note. Using the Trusted Networks feature with IKEA2 protocol requires an activated kill switch. We can check its status here. Settings, Protocols, and Kill Switch. Also note that if you manually disable VPN connection, Kill Switch and Trusted Networks feature will be turned off. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See ya!